You've been involved in an accident and your doctor suspects that you may have sustained a traumatic brain injury. What does that mean? Hi, I'm Charlie Draper, Senior Litigation Attorney with Draper Law Office. A traumatic brain injury, also known as a TBI, is an injury to the delicate brain cells that causes brain dysfunction. It's usually caused by a violent impact or jolt to the head or the neck. The psychological and physical effects can be wide-ranging depending upon the severity of the traumatic brain injury. The symptoms, some symptoms may be immediate right after the accident. Some symptoms may be delayed by days or even weeks. From a physical point of view, the physical symptoms that we often see in a traumatic brain injury would include loss of consciousness for seconds or even a few minutes. It can include headaches, dizziness, blurred vision, a state of feeling just dazed or disoriented following an accident. It also can include nausea, sleepiness, feeling tired or fatigued. The sensory signs that you may experience, depending upon the severity, could include affecting your ability to smell or taste. You can have blurred vision or ringing in the ears or sensitivity to light or sound. There can also be mental or cognitive problems or signs that are associated with a traumatic brain injury. This may include memory or concentration problems. It can include depression or anxiety. So it's important that if you suspect that you personally or a loved one has sustained a traumatic brain injury, that you get immediate assistance. I'm reminded of a case that I handled a few years ago where a client, a lady in her 60s, was involved in a relatively minor impact collision, and just the whiplash of her head moving backwards and forward caused a traumatic brain injury. At the scene, she didn't feel anything, went home that afternoon, went to bed that night, and woke up about 3 in the morning with a screaming headache. Her husband took her to a local hospital. They ran a CAT scan. They saw a bleed in the brain, a large bleed, and then rushed her to another hospital where she underwent a craniotomy. So these injuries are not to be taken lightly. So why am I telling you this? Because if you've been in an accident and you're experiencing any of these symptoms, pick up the phone, give me a call now. I'd love to speak with you and see if we can help you. Again, thank you and have a wonderful day.